Hey everyone, welcome back again. So in this video, you will be learning how you can send coupon codes to those customers who are abandoning your cart of your Shopify store. So guys, suppose that you are running an e-commerce store on Shopify and you have a list of your customers in a VBOUT application, which is a marketing solution. Okay, so you have a list of loyal customers there, and if among those customers someone comes to your store, adds some products into the cart and then refuse to buy them, you lost a sale. You want to recover that sale. Okay, so you want to retain that customer, and in order to retain that customer, you want to send some coupon codes to that customer so that the customer can complete the purchase. Okay, for that purpose we have created this automation which is going to easify this task, which is going to save your time in retaining the customer, and it will help you in retaining that customer. Let me show you on my screen, guys. This will be the flow of this automation. Okay, here you can see what is going to happen. As and when any customer is going to abandon your cart in Shopify, the coupon codes will be captured from Google Sheets application which you have already created, and the same coupon codes will be delivered to your VBOUT contact details. Okay, so you have the contact details of your customer in VBOUT application. So these contact details will be fetched from VBOUT, and the coupon codes will be delivered to all those contacts via email using Gmail application, and all these steps are going to happen automatically. You do not need to manually check who is abandoning the card. You do not need to manually collect the coupon code from this sheet. You do not need to sort out the details of your VBOUT contacts, and you do not need to manually send these emails. So it will surely save an immense amount of your time and your energy, and it will improve your productivity as well. So guys, to make this whole thing happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And the best part is you can set up this automation with me following this video till the end, because you do not have you do not require any coding skills to set up this automation. Okay, so let's set up this automation together, guys. So to set up this automation, guys, first of all you need to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application, and to reach here you can use this link pabbly.com/connect. We have pasted the same in the description as well. From here you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account, and after that you can log in to reach here. And guys, here you have to click on this create workflow button, and here you have to give a name to this workflow. So I am giving the name here send coupon codes to VBOUT contacts on cart abandonment. Okay, so you can give any name according to you. After that you have to click on this create button, and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. And on this page, guys, you will see the trigger and the action. So this is the basic building blocks of this automation. Trigger is the happening of an event which is going to trigger or start this workflow, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. So in this use case, the trigger would be abandoning of the cart from Shopify store, and the action towards that trigger would be to get the coupon code details from Google Sheet, then send those coupon codes via email to VBOUT contacts, right? So first of all you need to set up this trigger. So from this choose app field you have to choose Shopify application as the trigger application. Okay, so search for Shopify, this is it, select it. Okay, and in the trigger event you have to select this option, cart abandonment, this one, new abandoned cart checkouts. Okay, so it will trigger us whenever a cart is abandoned. Okay, select it, and now you have to click on connect, and here you have to select add new connection option if you're making the connection with your Shopify application for the very first time. So here you can see it is asking for the private app password. So you need to find these things using your Shopify account. You can read the instructions here, or you can just follow this video attached here. You can just click on this video word and you will reach this YouTube channel page, and here I have a video on which I have explained how to create a connection with Shopify with Pabbly Connect. Okay, so you can just follow it. Let me show you quickly how you can find this token. So guys, this is my Shopify applications dashboard, and here you can see on the left hand side panel we have this apps option. So click on apps, and from here scroll down and click on apps and channel sales channel settings. And from here guys, you will find this develop apps option. Click on develop apps, and guys, here you have to create an app by clicking on this create an app button. And here you can give a name to this app. So I'm giving the name as coupon codes, let's say. Okay, and from here you can select the developer's account and then click on create app. Okay, so you can see a new app is being created here. Okay. So you can see your app is created, and here you can see we have this configure admin API scopes tab. So by clicking here, you can see the access scopes of your Shopify store, which means you can select on which what kind of details that you can send from your Shopify store to your workflow. So here you have to provide some access scopes here. So we want to send the data when we got an abandoned cart order. So for that you have to select these scopes, and we also want to provide some discount coupons when we create discount coupons. So you have to select this discounts option also. Check this box, read and write. In the customer section also check this both of these box, and after that you have to find another order. Okay, here is the order section. You have to check these boxes also, and the price rules also. These are the access scopes that you have to provide here to get the details. So after selecting the access scopes, you have to click on save from the top right. Click on save, okay, and save these scopes. Now the configuration is saved, and now you have to click on this API credentials tab, and here you can see you have to install this app here. That app you have created, you have to install it. So just click on install app. From here click on install. Okay, you can see the app is installed, and here you can see we got this admin API access token. So after getting the admin access token generated, you have to click on reveal token once, and you have to copy this token and you have to paste this token here in this field. Okay, and here you have to enter the subdomain of your Shopify account. So if your Shopify store's URL is this, like this, you have to enter here the subdomain, which is the first part. Let me show you. Let us close this window now. And here you can see this is my URL of my Shopify's admin section. I'm copying this whole URL and I'm pasting this URL here. And now you can follow the example. This is my Shopify store subdomain named as Pabbly. Okay, so I'm removing the extra things here. Okay, so this is my subdomain. Now click on save guys, and you will be connected with Shopify like this. Okay, and guys, here it is showing the checkout order created at, it got automatically selected, no need to do anything. Now guys, when you click on save and send test request, it will fetch out the details of a cart getting abandoned. So you can see this trigger is based on every 10 minutes. This means this trigger is going to check in every 10 minutes if we got any abandoned cart or not, and if there is any, the data will be fetched here. Let me show you how. So what I'm going to do now, I am going to open the checkout page of any of the product from my Shopify store. So let me show you my store guys. This is my Shopify store's products page. Here let me add this product into the cart. Okay, so I'm adding this product to cart. So it got added. I'm clicking on view cart now, and here let me click on checkout. Okay, so we are on the checkout page, and here let us enter the customer details also. I am filling the details as this is the some email, demo person's email ID. Here let me add some random name. Okay, and here let me add some random email addresses, and here I am clicking on continue to shipping. Okay, so here we are on the payment page. Okay, so guys, let's say after reaching this page, customer refused to purchase the product and he just closes this window. Okay, so let me close this window guys. I have entered the details. Okay, and now I'm closing this window. So window got closed. This means the cart is abandoned by the customer. Now let us capture the details of this customer here in our workflow. So here I'm clicking on save and send test request. So here you can see guys, we got the data of a cart getting abandoned like this. Here it is showing the date and time at which the cart get abandoned, the currency details, the email address of the person who have abandoned the cart, and here you can see all the things related to the customer, and the product is here. The first name, the last name, the phone number, and all the things are here. So guys, sometimes when you click on save and send test request, it will bring you the the most recent data of the cart getting abandoned. So it may show you the data of a previously cart abandoned, not the one that you have just abandoned. So in that case, you have to wait for a few minutes, and after that click on save and send test request again, and you will get the latest data like this. Okay, and now guys, I want to capture the details of coupon codes that I have filled here in this spreadsheet. You can see this is my spreadsheet guys, named as VBOUT1, and here I have this sheet abandonment coupons, and I have this column, and in this column I have created many coupon codes for my customer. It is a 54 coupons that I have created. Okay, so what I want now, that my automation should see if there is a cart that got abandoned, then it take the coupon code from this spreadsheet and send the coupon via email to the customer who have abandoned the cart. Okay, for that to happen, first of all we need to connect this spreadsheet here in our workflow. And guys, I also want to send these coupon codes sequentially, not randomly. This means I want that first this coupon code that I have here on the topmost will be sent to the first person who have abandoned one cart. Second time, if we got a cart abandoned again, then this second coupon code will be delivered, then fourth, then fifth, then sixth, and so on. Okay, so to send the coupon codes sequentially from this sheet, first of all I am going to use a feature here in the sections tab, which is called number formatter. So search for number formatter here, select it. Okay, and from the section event guys, use this counter feature. Okay, so select counter here, and why we are using this I'll tell you in the next step. Right now just click on connect, and here in the initial value put the value as 1. Okay, and select the operation as increment, change the value by 1 only. Okay, I do not want to reset it, you have to make it no. Okay, and now click on save and send test request, and here you can see we got the initial value I have entered was 1, and it has incremented it by 1. So in the final value result label you can see the value is 2. So why we have used this and why we get this data, I am now going to tell you. Now it is time to connect our spreadsheet application. Okay, so click here on this plus icon, and from the sections tab search for Google Sheets application, and from here select the action event as get rows. It will retrieve the rows from the spreadsheet based on the specified range. So to get that range correctly, I have used this counter here in the previous tab. Now I can show you how to use that. So use get rows option, then click on connect, and from this window select add new connection, then click on connect with Google Sheets, and from this window you have to select that Google account by which you have created that spreadsheet. Okay, now give some additional access to Pabbly Connect, just click on continue from here, and you can see we are getting connected with Google Sheets. So you can see we are now connected, and here it is asking to select the spreadsheet. So when you click on this field guys, it will show you the list of all the spreadsheets that you have created. The name of my spreadsheet is this VBOUT1. So select this from this list. Here it is selected. Okay, and you can see the sheet's name got selected here already, named as abandonment coupon. Okay, it is here selected from here. Now it is asking for the range of data that you have in your spreadsheet. So to find the range and to put the range here in this range field, you can see here guys, just start selecting the data from this second row actually. Okay, so when you start selecting the data like this and keep on selecting like this, you can see, let us select whole data. So I have done selecting my whole coupon codes, and here you can see in this name box we have this code A2:A54. This means this is the range actually. This means that we have the data starting from column A, second row, and it is ending at column A, row number 54. Okay, so you have to put this range here in this range field. So here what I'm going to do, I'm going to put A manually. Okay, and we want to send coupon codes one by one sequentially starting from the second row. For that, we have applied this counter here and got this final value label, in which we got here the value as 2. So I'm going to map this label here after A, and to map that label you just have to click here and it will show you the previous steps in the drop down, and from the second step map the final value label like this. Okay, so this is our range. This means at the very first time when you get a cart abandoned, the data, the coupon code that you have in A2, this means this one. When you select this topmost coupon code, here it is showing A2. So this coupon code will be fetched. So the next time when you get another cart abandoned, this label is going to change automatically as the trigger works. Okay, so because we have applied this step here, so as and when the trigger is going to run, this data is going to change, the final value will change, and the range will change, and a new coupon code will be fetched here. Okay, so let me click on save and send test request, and the data will be fetched here from our spreadsheet, and you can see here in this response section we got this result label, and in this result we got the coupon code label here, and this is the coupon code that we have here in this A2. Okay, and the same code we got captured here. Okay, so after getting the coupon code here, I want to create this same coupon code inside Shopify application, because we are selling our products through Shopify application. So for creating coupon codes, for creating discounts for those products, we need to create codes inside Shopify application automatically using this workflow. So now click on this plus icon, and from this actions tab, connect Shopify application again. So search for Shopify. Okay, and now in the action event you have to select this option, create a discount code. Okay, then click on connect, and from this window select add new connection. Okay, so the connection process is same. So we have already connected with Shopify in our trigger, so we can use that existing connection. Okay, so just select this existing connection option, and here you can see this was our most recent connection that we have created in the first step. Now click on save and you will be connected again with Shopify. So here you can see this is the pricing rule. So to provide 30% discount, we have already created a pricing rule there, and here it is showing you the discount code option. So we have already created discount codes, which is this, which we have fetched from our spreadsheet. So I'm going to map this label here guys in this discount code label. So from this third step, map the responses label like this, and then click on save and send test request, and you can see this is the response. This means we have a discount code created automatically inside Shopify. Okay, now guys, I want to send this coupon code created to the customers that I have already present in VBOUT application. But first of all, we are going to check that if this person who have just abandoned our cart from Shopify is already present in our VBOUT application or not. For that, what we are going to do, first of all, I'm going to click on this plus icon, and here guys, I'm going to connect VBOUT application in the actions tab. So search for VBOUT from here. This is it, select it, and click on action events, and here guys, I'm going to select an action event which is get contact by email. So now we are going to check by email that if this customer who have just abandoned our cart is present in VBOUT or not. So here you can see in the first step we got the details of the customer here, and in the details we got the email ID of the customer also. Let me show you. I think we got the email ID first here. Here you can see we got this customer email ID. So with the help of this email, we are going to check if this customer is present in VBOUT or not. So here I am mapping this email ID in this step so that we can automatically check the customer. Okay, so come here on VBOUT step and then click on connect first. Okay, from here select add new connection, and here it is asking for the API user key of VBOUT application. So you'll find this key from the settings of API integrations option, and you will find the user key. So let me show you quickly. Here is my VBOUT applications dashboard, and guys, here you have to click on settings. Okay, so I'm under the settings page, guys, and here you can see I have this API integrations option. Click on API integrations, and this is the API user key. So you can open it and copy it from here like this. Okay, and you have to paste this key here like this. Okay, and click on save, and you will be connected with VBOUT like this. So here it is asking for the list ID. So guys, I have created the lists of my customers here in the contact section. Okay, you can check the lists. So this is the customer list I have created. So I'm going to select this list from here. Okay, and now I'm going to map the email from the first step. Here you can see this is the customer's email. Okay, now I'm going to click on save and send test request here to see if the person is present or not, and here you can see it is showing the status as okay, and this is the contact ID we got. This means we have this customer already present in our VBOUT. You can check in VBOUT as well. This is our customers list, and here when I open this, you can see Daniel Joe is already present here. Okay, so this customer is already present. Now we have created a coupon code already in Shopify for this person, and here guys, I want to ensure one thing also, that we can see here that this customer is present, and we can confirm it with the help of this data contact ID. So when in this response it shows you this data contact ID, this means this customer is present in VBOUT. So now we are going to apply this condition here, that when this customer is present in VBOUT, this means we got this contact ID, then only continue the workflow and send the coupon code. For that, I am going to click here on this plus icon, and from the section step, I am going to use this filter feature of Pabbly Connect, and here it is asking to select the label. So guys, by clicking here, I am going to select this data contact ID label, and let me show you. Just click here and it will show you the previous steps in the drop down, and from this VBOUT get contact by email step, map the contact ID and make the filter type as is exist. Okay, then click on save and send test request, and you can see the condition is true. This means this customer is present. Now we can continue the workflow, and now what I'm going to do, I'm going to update this contact also. Actually in VBOUT guys, you can see here you can assign coupon codes also inside this contacts. Okay, so I'm going to assign the coupon code that I have created in Shopify to this contact in VBOUT as well. For that, just click here on this plus icon and select VBOUT again. Okay, and in the action event, I am going to use this update contact option. So here we have update contact with custom fields option. So actually I have already created a custom field in VBOUT. You can see when you create a contact in VBOUT, let me show you here. You can see we have this create contact option. So when you click on create contact here, so when you create a contact here, it will ask for the contact email, phone number, first name, last name, and the coupon code here as well. Okay, so we have a custom field here. So now we can automatically assign coupon codes here also in the contact by using this action step here. And here we are using this action event, update contact with custom fields. Now click on connect, and from here select add new connection, and then here it is asking for, okay, now we can use existing connection guys. We have already connected with VBOUT in the previous step, so I can use that existing connection. So I'm selecting existing connection, and now I just have to click on save and we'll be connected again. Okay, so we are now connected again, and here it is asking for the list ID. So list ID will be the same, the contact ID. Okay, so you can read here, you will get the contact ID from get contacts by email action. So we have already applied this action here in the previous step. So I'm going to toggle this map button to on. Okay, and erase this data, and here you can see when you click, it will show you the previous steps, and from this VBOUT last step where we have fetch the contact details, you will get this contact ID, map it from here like this. Okay, and for the email address, you can use this step, you can use the Shopify step and map the email. Sorry, here is the email, map the email. Okay, status is active. Okay, first name, last name. Okay, so we just want to update one thing here, which is the coupon code. Okay, we do not want to update all the things, so I'm just going to map the coupon code which I have created under Shopify step, and this is the coupon code I have created. Okay, this is the discount code ID, and this is not coupon code. You will find the coupon code from the Google Sheets tab. Okay, this is the coupon code. Map it. Now click on save and send test request. Okay, so here you can see it is showing your contact has been updated successfully. Let's check our contact, guys. Here now I am opening this contact, and you can see this coupon code got added here inside this contact. Okay, so now we can send this contact the coupon code using Gmail application. So just click here on this plus icon, and from this actions tab search for Gmail application, and here in the action event select send email option. Okay, then click on connect, and from here select add new connection, then click on connect with Gmail, and from this window select the Google account or Gmail account by which you want to send these emails. Okay, so I'm selecting that account. Okay, and provide some additional access to Pabbly Connect. Just click on continue, and you will be connected with Gmail. Okay, like this. Here it is asking for the recipient email address, so you will find that from the first Shopify trigger step. Okay, so select this email label here. We do not want to put anyone in CC or BCC, so I am leaving these things blank. In the sender's name, you can enter your store's name, so I am putting here Shopify store. You can enter your store's name. Okay, here in the email subject, I'm typing the email subject here, complete your order using coupon codes. Okay, so here I am selecting the email content type as plain, and in the email content let me type a standard email for the customers who are abandoning our cart. Okay, so guys, here I have typed this email. You can see, hi, we are having trouble processing your recent purchase for, would you mind completing it? So here guys, I'm going to map some data from the previous steps so that the labels are going to change with every new email, and a new and fresh email will be delivered for every new customer who is abandoning our cart. Okay, so after hi, I'm going to map the name of the person from the Shopify step. Here you will find the name of the customer like this, so you can map the full name here if you want. Okay, I'm just mapping the first name. So here I am going to map the name of the product. So I have mapped the product here, and from here guys, in place of this link, I'm going to map the link of the abandoned cart, which you'll find from the Shopify step, the trigger step. And here you'll find this label in which we got the completion link of the cart. Here you can see we got this abandoned checkout URL link. Just map it. So from this link guys, the customer can complete its payment using the coupon code. Okay, so here I'm going to map the coupon code also. Here after use, I'm going to map the coupon code, and you will find the coupon code from the Google Sheets. This is the coupon code. Okay, so this is the email we are going to deliver for every cart abandonment. Now you can check the connection with Gmail by clicking on save and send test request, and a test email will be delivered to this email account. So I can show you the email guys. I do not have the access of this Gmail account, so here I am entering my email address just to show you the demo. Okay, right, and here you can see, let me open my email. Okay, and now let me click on save and send test request here. So this is the response we have received. Let me show you the email in my inbox, and here let me refresh it. And here you can see from Shopify store we got a new email. Subject is complete your order using coupon codes. Here is the text that we have written. Hi Daniels, we are having trouble processing a recent purchase for this product. Would you mind completing it? Here is the link from where you can complete. This is the coupon code. Okay, this is how the email will look like guys. and you have to map the data. Please remember, I have entered this email just to show you the demo. You don't have to enter the email manually, just map it from the first step. Okay, now we are done, guys. Now you can save this step, and we are done setting up this automation. And you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually. After that, as and when you are going to receive any cart abandonment issue, these kind of emails along with the coupon codes will be delivered to your customers automatically. And the best part is you can use this same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description, so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.